Most people think depression is just sadness, exhaustion, and emptiness. But there's another side, a side that sharpens the mind instead of dulling it. When pain hits, your brain stops hiding behind illusions. It stops lying to you. It starts analyzing, questioning, dissecting. Suddenly, patterns you missed before are obvious. Beliefs you followed blindly are challenged. You see reality raw and unfiltered. This is why some call it depressive clarity. Loss of relationships, trust, opportunities forces your mind into survival mode. Understand this, or break again. Logic becomes your tool. Emotion takes a back seat. You notice the cracks, you question everything. But there's a trap. Too much clarity without hope can freeze you. Every risk looks like a disaster. Every step forward feels impossible. Here's the lesson: truth alone is not enough. Logic shows what is real. Hope shows what's possible. You'll need both to move forward. So if your mind feels cold and brutally honest, don't single quotes. Fight it. You let it tell you what's broken, and let hope tell you what's worth rebuilding, because the goal isn't to lose clarity. It's to hold truth in one hand and use that truth to shape the life you want.